Today we're going to be going over an inference for a single population proportion. Here I have written out the question. We're going to start off by defining what our p hat value is. We got this value 0.0286 by taking the 10 complaints and dividing it by 350 customers. Next we're going to list out our sample size, which is 350 customers. So first of all, we're going to create a 90% confidence interval. So here I have inserted my jump data table with a complaint column and its corresponding categories, whether the customer did complain or didn't complain. So here we have 10 customers that did complain and 340 who did not complain. Next, if you look at this portion down here, I have set my confidence level at 90%. And based on JUMP's calculations, we are 90% confident that the percentage of customers who have issued a complaint fall between 1.72% and 4.72%, as seen in this row under yes, the lower confidence interval and the upper confidence interval. Next, we're going to conduct our hypothesis test. So a reminder is that the company goal is to have no more than 5% of dissatisfied customers. We have our null hypothesis listed out of p equals 0.05 or 5%, and our alternate that p is less than 5%. We are conducting a one-sided binomial test, and our alpha level is 0.05. I have also listed out our assumptions and conditions, and also our success and failure. Both are at least 10, so we are good to continue. So here are test probabilities. JUMP calculated a p-value of 0.0353, and since our p-value is less than our alpha level of 0.05, we choose to reject the null hypothesis. So finally, our interpretation. We can conclude that the percentage of customer complaints the specific company receives is less than 5%. So there is strong evidence to suggest that the company has in fact met its goal of having no more than 5% of customer complaints.